Hello guys, it's Janelle Amoy here and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 ways you are destroying your edges. Keep watching this video to find out how you are destroying your edges. Also guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's get into the video. Edges seems to be a very popular topic today because a lot of people are without edges and they're searching for ways to grow back their edges. Now this video is more talking about the ways you are destroying your edges, so I'll make a future video on how you can grow back your edges. So number one, the number one reason you are losing your edges is because you fail to tie your head at night. Now I'm guilty of this, and so I know for a fact that's why my edges are as thin as they are. I still have edges, but it's not long like the rest of my hair. So you need to protect your edges at night, and you can either do this by sleeping on some satin or silk sheets, or you get you one of these in here. I made this for myself. This is a silk bonnet. I have, if you're tired of wearing the one color, I have like black on one side and my favorite color, which is blue, on the other side. So you just put this on at night, and it really doesn't take much. You just need to just put this over your head, but I found it difficult to do that. Yeah, so you need to protect your edges at night, okay? Because when you sleep, your edges is rubbing on the cotton sheets. You're twisting and turning, and you're losing your edges every night. Every night you're losing more hairs. Have you ever worn a cotton shirt and you feel your hair just pulling on the shirt? That's the same thing that happens with the sheets. Like cotton and hair don't work well together. So you need to get you either a satin bonnet, scarf, or just sleep on some cotton sheets. So that's number one. Number two, you have to be careful how you brush your edges. Now, you have some people when they're brushing their edges with these big brushes, they're brushing as if they're trying to really brush the hair out of the scalp. And so for me, I do not use brushes. I just use this toothbrush here, and it's very gentle. The bristles are very soft, so I just gently brush my edges with this little toothbrush here. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you're using a brush on your edges. A style does not look good when you do not have edges, and so you have to care for them. Okay, so that's my second tip for you guys. The third way you are destroying your edges is that you are keeping it dry. Now you need to, moisture is the key. You need to keep your edges moist, and so just as you moisturize the rest of your hair, it is very important that you also moisturize your edges, because when you leave it dry, it's breaking off, and that is why you see a lot of people with long hair yet they have no edges, because they moisturize the hair and forget about these little babies right here. So you need to ensure that you are moisturizing your edges. Okay? And as I always say, simple water and some oil will do. I use coconut oil and water, or sometimes I'll apply my Lotta Body moisturizer, which is my favorite moisturizer to use. Yes, sometimes I'll use that. Or you can apply shea butter, but just ensure that you're applying water first, and then you apply oil over. Just ensure that you're applying water or water-based moisturizer first, and then you're applying the oil after to seal in the moisture. So moisturize your edges.
So here I'm just showing you what my edges looked like, and this is all due to improper care. They're doing much better now because of what I've been using. However, you need to ensure that you're taking very good care of your edges. Also, I realized for this video I left off one of the tip, and that would be to ensure that you're not braiding your edges too tightly when you're adding in here. So when you're doing your box braids and your twists and your cornrows, your braids, you need to ensure that you are not putting them in too tight, because when you do that, there's tension to the hairline and it weakens your hair, and then over time you'll just realize that you are going bald. So that's my next tip for you.
Alright, so this one is very important, and I'm not throwing shade or anything, but I see a lot of people wearing these wigs and they glue the hair on their hairline. Now tell me, what do you expect to happen when you do that? I see some people gluing it on their foreheads. I mean, it's better you do that, but whenever you glue the hair on your hairline, even if it's not really pulling, which I'm sure when you're brushing the hair, it's putting tension on the edges, and so you're even causing more damage than you expect because you're weakening the hair follicles. So you want to ensure that you're being very careful when you put your wigs on, when you're getting your lace wigs and so forth. So just ensure that, I don't know, just paste it on your forehead instead of your edges, because you want to keep those edges. And not only the tension, because having glue on your edges for so long, because some people I know keep it on for like 2-3 months, you know, when you have that hair just resting in one place with the glue on your edges, I mean, that's just causing your edges to become weak, and so you will lose the hair. When you take it off, you will realize that you do not have any edges. And I think that's the number one cause of why so many of you are losing your edges. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you. And if you do agree with me or you enjoy my video, just give me a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.